Welcome back to the King's Queen, where I teach you how to master your hustle. Today we have another GPT review. Now, this one is for our kids as well as the beginners who are not that comfortable with prompting but would like to create some cute characters, to create stickers, or just get their feet wet and started with creating characters and different art. I have created something that could probably help you out. So, as you all know, I created a prompt guide with my 8-year-old daughter. I taught her how to prompt. She loved it, and she had a very profitable Valentine's Day season with her prompt guide. And I do thank you all for supporting her with that. But after that, I was thinking, if my child was so interested in doing this, I'm pretty sure there are hundreds and thousands of other kids who would like to do something like that as well. So I created the TOON tutor. Now, I have it set to create chibis because chibis are popular right now, and it's easy to create something that's cute and relatable to different people. So we're going to get into the specs of this GPT. The conversation starters are very simple. It says I'm creating a little girl. We have boy. We have one for a woman and for a man. And all they have to do is select the one that they're wanting to create. So we're just going to go with this first one. We click it. And after that, we're going to get some instructions. And it's going to be very simple. I have it set to be friendly and they can relate to it. It talks to them in a 4th grade level of speech. So, very easy. So, first it says, that sounds awesome. Let's get started. Would you like your chibi girl to be African American, Caucasian, Asian, or Hispanic? So, you select the one you want. I'm just going to go with African American. And next, I'm skimming because I know what it says, but basically this one, it says what type of hair, curly, straight, braided, and the color. So you can pick whatever hairstyle you want. So I'm going to say messy bun, a black messy bun. And next, perfect. A messy bun will look super cute. What kind of clothes would you like her to wear? You can choose dress, skirt, shirt or pants, or something else. Like it says, you can pick something else. So if you have a very innovative kid with a imagination, they can pick out whatever they want. So I'm just gonna say a white t-shirt with a graphic design on it and distressed jeans with a pink and blue denim hat, bucket hat to match. Now, if you're dealing with a kid, they may just say shirt and jeans, and that's okay. Okay, this says, that's a fantastic outfit. Lastly, what kind of shoes? I'm going to say pink sneakers. As you can see, this is very to the point. It doesn't go all over the place. Awesome choice. Pink sneakers will look great. What actions would you like your little chibi girl to be doing? For example, she could be waving, jumping, reading a book, or anything else you can think of. I'm going to say she is sitting in a playful pose, holding up the peace sign with her hands. Okay, now it's going to give us a rundown of the things that we chose for it. And it says, are you ready to see your character? I'm going to say yes. And in less than 30 seconds, should have a cute chibi design. And like I said, this would be great for kids as well as beginners. It is very beginner friendly. And there we go. She is adorable with her bucket hat. We have the cute little pink sneakers. We got the t-shirt with the graphic on it. She's holding up the peace sign, just like we asked. And now, as you know, if you want that prompt, you just click on your art. You go up here to the letter I, and here's your prompt so that you can create another image. You can take this to, if you have my chibi creator, you can take this prompt and create more chibis using that GPT and ask it to give you variations of this prompt and create a bunch of images that resemble her so that you can bundle them and sell them to someone. But yeah, this is basically all it is. It's very simple. And once you're complete with this art, it will ask you, would you like to create another character? If you tell it yes, it will start over with the questions, and your child can just keep on creating and keep on creating until they learn by reading the prompts that are created after they're done with their art. And once they feel comfortable with that, then they can take it to the next step. And hopefully by then I'll have another GPT that can help them, or they can get one of the other GPTs that I have already created. I have several. And I'm thinking about doing something else, but I'm not sure, so I'm going to keep that under wraps. But you all stay tuned and keep an eye out for some new things coming from the King's Queen. I've got some big ideas, but I just got to get the kinks worked out. But I just wanted to show you all this new GPT. I hope you all are interested in it. It will be on my Etsy shop by the end of the week. And I hope you all enjoyed this short little video. And until next time, you all be blessed.